Welcome back. We say happy Friday to Mike Eppel, and I'm going to be honest. You know what we did over break? I was looking at my profile, my side profile, and this jib camera caught me. And I wear like 12 things on my back, right? So Al's trying to find the best angle. Like that's not
the microphone packs.
Like what's happened? So I just said I'm going to talk to you like this the whole time. Yes, Mike. Tell me more about the markets.
Strike a pose.
It's all awkward. That's all I'm saying.
There you go.
Okay.
Yep.
Anyway.
Hey, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Oh. Yeah.
I mean, happy Friday.
There you go. Getting my second COVID shot later today.
Oh, excellent. Nice. Congrats.
Yeah. Doing the mix.
You are. Okay, well, were you going to do the
now recommended mix?
That's it. I was going to say, you were planning to do it anyway before NACI said.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, pretty much. I think my wife and I are both at 9 weeks now since AstraZeneca. By the way, all this talk about certain countries not accepting AstraZeneca, they're going to change that.
They have to change that.
When you think of all of the political leadership in this country that got AstraZeneca on the first shot,
yeah, that's right. You know what?
They're
That's
going to change it.
Our prime minister.
And the premier and the health minister and pretty much everybody,
Good
right?
Good call. That's right, for sure. So they're going to change it. We know that then. Yeah. Okay. So what are we talking about? We haven't even gotten to business yet.
Nope.
Well, let's talk about commodity prices. I know you're following.
Yeah, we were talking about sky-high prices for pretty much everything, and central banks have been saying, well, just slow down about inflation risks. It's going to calm down once the pandemic kind of works its way through the economy. Things reopen, supply chains get corrected. Price for lumber this morning, Melanie, down 43% from its peak just last month. Corn and soybean prices have erased all of the gains that we had seen for 2021 in the first few months. Oil prices are off the peak. So, yeah, maybe we'll see a little bit of a price decline here for certain items. It'll be interesting to see how quickly it works through, for specifically lumber prices through the renovation market and the retail level. But the Canadian dollar is down, too, as a result of this, trading this morning close to a 2-month low below 81 cents U.S.
Okay, a trend that we've been following as well, and it will continue as per this survey, people looking to move to rural locations.
Yeah, a survey by Aviva Canada, insurance company, talking about, again, trends that have developed here. And it's about, to some extent, because it's an insurance company, talking about commuting. And a lot of Canadians, a third of Canadians are talking about moving, and a third of those are saying they want to go to a rural or semi-rural location. So, again, work from home certainly in the mix here. And a full 60% said they're not really all that interested in taking public transit. So that is going to be interesting, again, for city planners. We've got new transit projects being built, and prior to COVID, all of the subways and the streetcars and the buses were jam-packed. Well, how long is it going to take for that to kind of get back to where it was? Will it? And will these projects being put into place now alleviate any big strains on the system going forward?
Okay, well, you're following as well. A pricey reno on Parliament Hill.
Yeah, center block, the renovation update on the House of Commons reno, which is already underway. Well, now they're talking about taking 10 years to complete, not reopening until 2031. And a $5 billion cost that just keeps going up. And they're saying, look, the cost of renovations has been needing to be adjusted here. But look, the Senate already moved to the former railway station in Ottawa. House of Commons has moved to where the Senate used to be. They put a 5-year roof on that because it's only supposed to be temporary. And now we're looking at a 10-year time frame. So now they got to replace that at some point. When you're dealing with historic buildings, and the House of Commons, centuries old, the cost to rip it back to the studs such that it was and put in new energy efficient everything and getting it up to today's modern standards. Wow, $5 billion is a big cost. And then they're not even talking about redoing 24 Sussex, for example. And then when are they going to do Queen's Park? That building is
due for an upgrade?
Due for an upgrade, too.
Absolutely. Okay, finally for you, NFT madness, it continues.
Yeah, CNN is going to be selling some of their most historic footage in non-fungible token form, digitized and blockchain verified historical prints. Mattel is going to do the same thing for digitized prints of Hot Wheels cars, of all things. So, the art world is, beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? And what things have prices on you sometimes go, why do people pay so much for certain things? But, who knows how art works. And in an economic good times and even bad, sometimes people look for these different types of investments as a diversification play. So maybe NFTs are in that category as well.
Maybe. All right, Mike.
Maybe, exactly.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Have yourself a great weekend and happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we'll talk to you Monday. 6:18 is your time right now. Coming up next, Ontario's COVID-19 numbers continuing in the right direction. We'll break down those numbers next.